Welcome to our tutorial. So today's video's vlog is i-guide ko kayo kung paano tayo magbayad ng ating SSS short-term loan gamit ang GoTime Bank apps. Enter nyo lang guys yung inyong passcode sa inyong smartphone para ma-open siya. Then hanapin nyo sa menu yung P-Bills. Then, click nyo yung government, then SSS short-term loans. Then, kailangan nyong enter yung amount na babayaran nyo dito. Ita-type nyo siya. Then, after nyong ma-type, just click the next button. Then, dito guys, kailangan i-enter nyo yung reference number ng inyong loan. Then, click next. Then, ito mag-appear yung payment. Then, enter nyo dito yung passcode nyo ulit. Para ma-approve. Then, ito na guys, processing your transaction. Yan, napaka-easy lang guys kung paano tayo magbayad ng ating SSS short-term loan. So, yan, makikita nyo na.